it's the 12th of July 2022. We have Saimaankatu, 60 Stekis A here in Lahti, Finland. Too bad there's an SHT elevator in all these cases. Scenic. That's why we'll have one ride. One ride would be enough here.
Yeah.
Even if it is a window in it. Even with a window inside. Ah, yes, yes. But still, one ride.
Yeah.
It's gonna take first. It's built in 1995. 25 is old in 2020. And the scenario is 95032. It 8 buses or 600 grams. It's going to be inspected this year in 2022. I'm not sure if this was finished in 1995 or 96, but we can check that information later. The elevator itself is nice, but the buttons are not nice.
Yeah.
Or the features. Should have been built by CMAC maybe.
Yeah.
Something better. No, it doesn't seem better.
Spektiikkivais, mutta meidän temppaikko on.
Yeah. But it still has nice vibrations.
Yeah.
But it's not good from the 1990s, it's not a good one.
Yeah.
Even though it's a scenic one. But it's not enough for 2 rides. I'm just filming it because of the view from here.
Yeah.
Yes, that's it. Let's go.
That's